Hello, my name is Sharath. I'm one of the teacher of YogaUnion. Namaste. So I take this moment to introduce to our course Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga 50 hours. And this is a week-long course where we work on each of you to develop your Ashtanga practice. And also we make you capable of teaching Ashtanga in a studio-friendly environment for 90 minutes to 60 minutes. We develop various sequences using Ashtanga strategically in a progressive way, so you can teach from beginners as you take them to be more advanced. And during this course, we start with the day with the pranayama and shatkarma. Only one type of shatkarma we use is jalaneti. And then we work with you with the Mysore-style training, where we teach you how Mysore-style works, where people with different level come. We work individually on each one of you to develop your sequence. And as we move forward in the day, we teach you how to teach Ashtanga in a studio friendly environment, of course, with the progressive development of the sequence. And we also teach you hands-on adjustment with certain poses, so you can work safely with your students to take them deeper. And with regard to the yoga philosophy, we work on Yoga Sutra. We start working with the chanting, and we also give you the explanation of it, and we make sure that you also learn a bit of chanting, and this way you develop a self-practice of yoga philosophy studies. In the evening, we make it more colorful with different types of workshops, starting with the hip opening, back bending, and handstands. And we also introduce a martial arts called capoeira, which I also specialize in as part of a freedom and in the movement. And eventually we culminate the course with an exam. It's a group training, so two groups will be done with amongst the people who come to the course, and we teach each other. Each group will teach the other group parts of it. And this way you understand how to teach Ashtanga, how to develop the sequence, how to give hands-on adjustment during the class. And in the last day we work with you to teach you to with a Ashtanga led class, where we make sure you develop the speed of the Ashtanga practice all through the week, and eventually we test it out. And this is about our course. And I have trained Ashtanga for 17 years, either teaching, training, or assisting. And I bring an extensive learning of Ashtanga, the experience of teaching in many courses and many parts of the world. And I look forward to have you for our course. And thank you so much. Namaste.